Hi guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is gonna be a beach day vlog. I'm going to the beach with my friends. We are just gonna chill and enjoy the day. So I'm bringing you guys along. I hope you enjoy and have fun with us. I need a girl like you, Flash! I can't even bonjour. I can't do a fresh. Flash! Like that your boots and your coat. That's this wet ass pussy. On her phone, just for pictures. That's this wet ass pussy. Oh, in this house. That's a hole in this house. That's a hole. And the boy is in front. The boy is in front. The beach is so crowded today. There are a lot of people here. So we are on the beach chilling, about to swim. Swim, swim, swim. Time to go home. Just gonna wear my shirt. We are leaving now. We are leaving the beach now. Everybody's packing. We've had enough. We've been here since I think like 12 o'clock, and it's after. I think it's after 5. Yeah, 5. It was something 6. So we are done. We have fun. We took a lot of pictures. What's my slippers? Catch you guys at the house. Bye. We are leaving. Bye. I came with a bag and I'm leaving without my bag, and you cannot even remind me of my bag. Where is a bag? I don't know. Wow, I'm leaving my bag on the beach. Guys, she's trying to blame me for her bag. We are leaving now. We are leaving. We are leaving. We are leaving the beach. The beach. The beach. The beach. Woo. We are leaving. Yes, you have to wear YouTube outfit. It's a beach, oh. Yes, you have to wear YouTube outfit. yeah, nothing happened to it. Nala. Don't be racist. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So yesterday we went to the beach, and then today's the next day. I'm gonna wash my hair and then do my laundry. So first we will do the laundry and then wash the hair. So uh-oh. I'm gonna wash the white clothes first, and then after that I will wash this. I have a lot of dirty clothes today. Got it.
This is my hair. I'm about to wash it. So today I will be using my cream of nature product. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. So I'm gonna be using these two to wash my hair, and then after that I will take shower. Let me just show you my hair. I am done with my hair. I just from putting oil and leave-in conditioner in my hair. Sorry I didn't show you guys that. I was so tired. I had to do a lot of things today. I'm about to eat, and then I'm just gonna catch up with some movies. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.